What if you could clone yourself 10 times over and put each clone to work on your most time-consuming tasks? That's not science fiction, it's AI agents, and they're creating a productivity revolution right now. According to BCG, we've hit the tipping point with 66% of companies deploying agents in 2025. Those who understand this technology will lead. Those who don't will be left behind. I'm Richard Walker from Lucidate, and in the next 11 minutes, you'll discover exactly what AI agents are, see how they work under the hood, and walk away ready to implement them in your business. Whether you're a leader looking to transform your department or a developer building agentic systems, or maybe simply you want to stay ahead of this game-changing technology. So, why do we need agents? Well, look at your calendar and inbox right now. Most of us are drowning in high volume, high precision, yet mundane work. Digging through industry research, drafting reports, building client decks, analysing market data, creating project proposals, writing product specs, checking every fact, and crunching endless budgets. This isn't just busy work, it's work that demands accuracy, but steals focus from the strategic thinking that only humans do well. Now, imagine this: specialised digital versions of yourself, racing through these tasks, pulling relevant sources, auto-generating charts, filtering for what actually matters, and delivering concise summaries while you focus exclusively on the high-value decisions and creative insights. That's what properly built AI agents deliver. Companies implementing this approach are seeing research tasks completed 70% faster with higher accuracy than purely human workflows. Think about the automation we've used for decades. Excel macros and scheduled reports save time, but they broke the moment anything changed or anything that was demanded out of spec. Agentic AI is fundamentally different. When your AI research agent hits a dead end with one approach, it doesn't just error out. It pivots completely to a new strategy, just like you would. It's the difference between a robot that needs constant reprogramming and an assistant that adapts on the fly. In this video series, we'll separate the engineering reality from the marketing hype. You'll learn not just why we need agents, but what they actually are, how they function under the hood, and who should use them, and crucially, when they deliver real competitive advantage versus when they're overkill. The potential for AI agents, particularly in finance, is transformative. But navigating this shift requires understanding of the true capabilities and limitations, not just the buzzwords. That's exactly where these videos deliver. We'll dive deep into how agents function, step by step, using frameworks like LangGraph, MCP, and AutoGen. You'll see who benefits most, whether you're in capital markets or any industry requiring intelligence at scale, and when deploying agents creates measurable ROI. And to keep everything practical, we won't just talk theory, we'll build and examine this fully functional agentic application. You'll watch as multiple specialized AI agents collaborate in real time, researching across both private documents and the public internet, evaluating information relevance, checking generated answers for accuracy, adapting their approach when they hit obstacles, and transforming queries when they get stuck. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how to access all of the code for this multi-agent system. These agents make the application truly intelligent. They grade documents for relevance, assess text quality, verify factual accuracy, and handle dozens of other specialized tasks. They're your digital workforce, handling the precision grunt work so that you can focus exclusively on your unique value add. Here's a diagram of the information flows in the system. Looks complex, right? But we'll build it piece by piece. In this series, we'll add new functionality incrementally, explaining everything thoroughly before moving forward. By the final video, you'll have the complete knowledge to work with your own agents, build frameworks, and fully understand the mechanics. We begin with stage 1. This is simple RAG, retrieval augmented generation. This solid foundation has no agents yet. It simply uses supplied documents. If the information isn't there, it completely admits ignorance instead of hallucinating. But basic RAG fails on real-time market news or topics outside of its initial training set. Stage 2, dynamic sourcing, solves this by adding a web search tool and a router agent that intelligently chooses between searching your private documents or the live public web. Now, our system sources information intelligently. But retrieval isn't perfect. Searches often return irrelevant content. Garbage in means garbage out. So stage 3, context filtering, introduces an AI grader that scores each retrieved document for relevance before generation. This helps us filter out the noise. With cleaner context, answers improve dramatically, but LLMs can still hallucinate or generate unhelpful responses, so stage 4 provides output validation. This adds critical quality control with 2 evaluation agents, one for verifying factual grounding against sources and another assessing overall quality, clarity and usefulness. If it fails either check, a fallback ensures safe responses. This is the key difference. Instead of showing an error message when things go wrong, these agents do what humans do. They find another way. So our application now validates answers. But what if the grading in stage 3 was too strict and discarded too much content? Stage 5 adds adaptive resilience with a threshold retry loop. If grading yields too few documents, the agent intelligently lowers its relevance threshold and regrades, giving context gathering a second chance. Adjusting thresholds helps, but not if the initial retrieval itself was poor due to perhaps poor query phrasing. Stage 6 adds query transformation. If grading fails, even at minimum thresholds, an agent rewrites the original query and loops back to the start, retrying with an entirely new approach. This is your agent asking for the same information with improved phrasing. Impressive resilience, but one final change remains. What if the system gets good context, generates an answer, but that answer still fails final evaluation? Maybe the chosen retrieval method wasn't right for this rephrased query. Stage 7 is the multi-strategy agent. It handles this by cycling through alternative retrieval approaches, like keyword versus hybrid search, trying different tools before transforming the query again, or finally falling back. So this sophisticated orchestration, specialized agents working together, diverse tools, evaluation feedback, and multi-layered retry logic creates the truly powerful adaptive system that we've seen. It mirrors exactly what effective humans do. We don't just simply give up with an error message. We adapt until we succeed. So that's the journey we'll take together in this series, from simple document-aware starting points through to sophisticated multi-agent systems capable of researching, filtering, and evaluating. Understanding this evolution piece by piece is the key to harnessing the real agentic power and cutting through the hype. In the next video, we get hands-on with our demo app, building basic RAG and dynamic sourcing from scratch. We'll explore the router agent, web search integration, and core agent structures. If you join the Lucidate channel as a member at the managing director or CEO level, you'll get complete access to this application code via our private GitHub. Found this breakdown valuable? Hit that like button now. Have questions about specific agent use cases in your industry? drop them in the comments and I'll personally answer. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to be the first in line for the next video in this essential guide. And share this with colleagues who also want to understand this technology before it transforms their industry. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Richard from Lucidate, helping you leverage AI to create competitive advantage. See you in the next video.